We have come to the end of another show, Carrie.
Yes, we have. They go too quickly, Guy.
They really do, don't they?
They do. And I have to tell you, I so enjoy. I know we had our board members here, but how awesome. I love hearing from our students in Humboldt ISD. And we have some great ones.
Well, we really do. I mean, and you're right. It's such a joy just to be around them and to listen to them and to get to know a little bit about their talents, because all of our children have talents.
They absolutely do. I mean, be it from dance to our auto collision. And one thing I really enjoyed hearing about from those students was really the design aspect and the creativity involved. It's not just nuts and bolts and fixing your car. They really bring their own mark to it, and you know, that's impressive to hear that.
Oh, and I thought you said it so well. Talia, just an amazing young woman. But it's not only about educating minds.
Right.
It is also about hearts.
Right.
And gosh, is she a great representation of what heart really is.
She really, truly is an inspirational young lady.
Yeah, just
and
terrific.
Maplebrook is lucky to have her.
Terrific. Well, thanks for hanging by my side.
Well, thank you for having me. I thoroughly enjoyed this show.
Good, and thanks for staying with us. Please do join us again for the next edition of Your Schools.
Take care.